Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So with the rollout of Windows 11 24H2, Microsoft introduced new checkpoint cumulative updates, which basically at the end of the day are updates that are smaller incremental updates that contain only the changes since the previous checkpoint cumulative update, which according to Microsoft saves you time, bandwidth and hard drive space. And I've posted a whole video on that, and I'll leave that video for checkpoint updates linked down below and in the end screen if you'd like more info. Now, in regards to checkpoint cumulative updates, Microsoft has confirmed that if you have a device that has the latest checkpoint cumulative update, so that would mean any latest updates since installing 24H2, and if you try to install a post-checkpoint cumulative update, so basically what that means, if you are heading over to the update catalog and are in the habit of manually downloading and installing updates through the Microsoft Update Catalog, what could happen is the installation might fail and you receive the operation is not supported. Learn more about how to achieve this message. And if you click on that message, you'll be then directed over to a support article by Microsoft. So basically the long and the short of this issue is, if you have an update installed, so from the release of 24H2, which rolled out beginning of October, and you head over to the update catalog and you download and install an update manually, it could cause your updates to fail. So I'm just putting it out there to give you a quick heads up. And basically, to resolve the issue, you have to install update packages using the DISM command, which I think for your average home user is a little bit extreme. And I think, as I would say by Microsoft, it's a little bit cheeky. And I'm not even going to go there for this video because it's quite an in-depth process. But I'm just putting it out there that if some of your updates are failing, and you have been in the habit of downloading and installing updates through the catalog, then this could be a reason why. Now, what my advice would be is, if you have downloaded and installed an update manually, then what I would do if your updates are failing is I would head over to your Windows Update history page in Windows 11 24H2, head to uninstall updates, find the relevant update and then uninstall it. And then I would just go through that process with every update you have installed manually and downloaded and installed manually, and uninstall that update until obviously the issue is resolved where your updates start downloading and installing through the so-called normal method through the Windows Update page. So that's my advice. Putting it out there just to give you a heads up. And obviously if I get any more info regarding this issue, I will post and let you know. And in regards to downloading an update and installing it manually, I have posted a video on how to do that, which is quite in depth and it has helped a lot of people out, and I'll leave that link down below and somewhere here in the end screen if you would be interested. So that's my advice. If your updates are failing and you have downloaded a update manually recently, then go uninstall that update and hopefully that should resolve the issue and your updates should start reinstalling once again if you are running Windows 11 24H2. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.